get the vibration. Won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. You better start rolling when you hear the man coming. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. No, we don't mind if you don't mind. Hell, I'll never mind. Let the feeling come take you. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And you know I got fever, so when you hit me right, you know you might as well. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And I said, kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, love, it's alright. Heaven knows they wanna break you apart. Yeah, kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, love, it's alright. Never know unless you give it a try. And do you know, girl? Can't fight the temptation when you get the vibration. Won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And you can tell I got fever. You try to shake it off, try it all you want. It won't do you no good. Said it won't do you no good. And I said,
lately I've been low. Things been moving slow. I could not tell you why. Maybe too much paradise. Something came calling and I knew this time I had to go. Dreamers down the road, I wound up in a land of gold. I was headstrong with an open eye, and a wonder's alibi. Getting towards the canyon, I abandoned everything I own. California, I don't even know you, taking me away from home. Old Magnolia, I'll never get over. The feeling's running straight to my bones. Someday I'll be coming home. Yeah, someday I'll be coming home. The cast iron soul. Was a winding mountain road where the sun shines and the air is cold. Another tired town where them old folks hang around. They look me in the eye and try to pass me down what they know. California, I don't even know you, the water. I can taste the sea. I keep on moving farther from where I need to be.
I've been selling my name for the sake of who knows. I've been trying to explain how it's all gonna go. I don't take my life for granted. I've been waking up tight day after day. Hope is taking its time to go my way, but I don't take my life for granted. I'm gonna hold on tight to what I've been handed. I'll try not to complain about the things I have lost, 'cause when you have something great, that just means there's a greater loss. So when you look at yourself, tell me, who do you see? Is it the person you've been or the person that you're gonna be? Don't take your life for granted. Don't take your life for granted. Why don't you hold on tight to what you've been handed? Oh, oh, oh,
Jumping up and down the floor. My hat is an animal, and once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. The son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say. Kentucky paws and furry coat. She ran down the forest slopes. The forest
screen was colored black by those killing machines. But she and her furry friends took down the queen, and her men. And that's how the story goes, the story of the beast with those 4 dirty